So welcome back. Obviously there's a little bit of coding. Obviously you will need DDT4ALL software. If you don't know how to use it, then please check my video out on how to install it and basic use. Just get rid of that for now. Okay, skipping forward a couple of minutes. Once that's scanned in, what you do, second box, you want to click down until you find EMM Edison DDT4ALL. Click on that, and then in the bottom box, you want to scroll down to EMM lighting config. So click on that on the little arrow, expand it, and then config. So in the main screen, what you'll find is when you scroll down, should say, oh there we go, MBX FR fog light. Okay, and then what you want to do, where that is, in there, where, hang on, try again. So I will do it, but I'm not going to hit send. Okay, so what you want to do is obviously delete that, turn that to a 1, click off of there, so that will say 1 there. Head up to the Einstein mode, click into expert mode, and then it will come up and it will say send. So what I'm going to do is I'll just cancel that off a second, go into Einstein mode, and obviously this bit at the side here now populates and says send. So what you'd want to do, like I say, I'm not going to do it because obviously my harness isn't in correctly, is gone too far. I've lost it again. There we go. MBX front fog light. So delete that, backspace, turn that to a 1, and then once you've done that, hit the send button, which is the yellow tab there. It will start loading it up at the bottom, and that is it complete. Now, if you were to do that and it doesn't work, what I have found, I've got to try and find it now. You have these options. So you've got MBX Swiss, MBX Froglight US, and MBX Canadian. So what you might need to do, if you are the other side of the pond in America, you might need to click on the front fog US as well. So change this one here to 1 and hit send. But that should be the coding for the fog lights. Obviously, any issues, any questions, please give us a comment in the comment section, and I will help you out as much as I can. Thank you very much, and I will see you in the next one.